Hey, Coby here from CobyWright.com, and I just want to give you a quick demo of the branding software for the online income launchpad. Now, as you know, this is what the software looks like. Now, I'm going to show you what the things you can rebrand from here. The title up here is rebrandable. You'll add your Clickbank ID to these 6 buttons here, and then this bottom button is completely rebrandable. So you can put any text or any URL you want on this button. So you've already seen this software in the demo video, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time going over that. So I'm just go ahead and show you now the branding software. So this is what the branding tool software looks like for the online income launchpad, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. As I said, you can make the product title anything you want. Simply put in your Clickbank ID here to rebrand the middle buttons, and then the bottom button you can make the text say anything you want, and you can lead it to any URL you want. This can be an affiliate offer that you're promoting. This can be one of your own products. This can be a CPA offer, or it could just be another link to this building, or whatever you want. Really the options are limitless. You can do whatever you want. And then the last thing, and the part that I think is the most important, is the list building aspect of this. And what this means is that they need a registration code in order to run the software. All you have to do is click reg code needed, and then this reg code can be anything that you want it to be. This will be the same for everyone. So it could be something as simple as that. And then the URL, this could either be a sales page or it could be a squeeze page where they opt in and then you send them the registration code. I recommend that even if you are going to sell the software, that you still have them opt in before you show them the software. That way you can still, if they don't buy the software, you can still follow up with them and you can still promote them, and maybe they will end up buying the software at a later time. So this URL could be anything you want. And then this last option here, this open in internal browser, means that it'll open in the internal browser of the software. And I would do that if you want to disguise your URL. So if you don't want the user to see the URL where you have your squeeze page or your sales page or whatever it is that you take them to, then open it in the internal browser. And so you would just click internal browser, and then you'd put the height here and then the width there. So that's those 2 boxes here for, and you could do something like 600 by 400, if it's just a small squeeze page or something. But if you don't care, if you want, if you don't need to hide your URL, then you can just leave that unchecked and it'll open up in whatever their default browser is, Firefox or Chrome or whatever it is that they use. And then after you do that, you just click done. I'm going to take that out. And then you would hit rebrand, you would click the brand button here, and then it'll rebrand the software in the folder where you've already extracted it. And it's really that easy. It's that simple, and within a few minutes you can literally have your own software with your own title, your own stuff in it, out there making you money that you can sell or give away to build your list. So this is Coby with CobyWright.com, and I hope you enjoyed this quick demo video for the branding tool.